Alright, let's talk about matrix inversion. Similar to determinant, there are different ways to find the inverse of a matrix. However, in Stata, there's really just one command. So we can use for both methods. The methods being inversion by the method of cofactors and inversion by the Cholesky method. And just as a side note, you can see videos 3.30 and 3.31 for those. So let's have a matrix A, and we will give it the values 4, 6, 2, 6, 16, 3, and then 2, 3, 9. And let's take a look below on the left side. Alright. Now we want to find the inverse. So it's pretty simple. Let's do matrix inverse to indicate that that's the inverse of A. And what you do is type INV for inverse. And let's list that here. See if that works. Right, so it gives us this matrix with decimal points and whatnot, that is what we found when we did it by hand, excuse me, using matrix inversion by the method of cofactors. And this is a really easy way to do this in Stata. However, there is another thing that you can do. You can use a more accurate way. But this is only good if the matrix is positive definite. And just for your information, a matrix is positive definite if each of its upper left matrices has a positive determinant. And we talk about that when we talk about the rank of a matrix, which is video 3.32. So what we do, we're going to do inverse A equals, and the command you type is inverse SYM, and do A. And let's take a look. And it gives us the same answer. However, this is probably the better thing to use if your matrix is positive definite. It is more accurate. And that's how you do matrix inversion using Stata. It's also really simple, and it's why I like to do it here a lot more than doing it by hand.